Morning traders, Nick Master from Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market buyers video for Tuesday, July 19th. It's exactly 3:45 or quarter 4 a.m. on the East Coast. We take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly lower with the exception of Japanese Nikkei and the Indian Sensex exchanges. Currently right now in Europe, and this current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside. Earlier on this morning, a couple of these exchanges were trading to the upside, but they were doing it fractionally. Now everything is pointing to the downside. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is starting to trade lower. There is correlation between U.S. dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher, much higher in fact. And metals in terms of gold, etc. is trading higher. The indices themselves, in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all point to a lower open. And we would take a look at economic news we have in the dockets today for the U.S. markets. We really don't have very much of anything for the U.S., and we do have a couple of reports, building permits and housing starts. These are major. These are proven market movers, hence they have the ability to change market direction, something to be mindful of trading today. All in all, bias is to the downside. And the reason why I was suggesting this is very simply because the financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. Metals in terms of gold is also trading higher. This does not bode well for an upside day, hence our bias is to the downside. Additionally, the futures are pointing lower for the indices themselves, and Europe is trading lower. Hence our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.